Design is not just about aesthetics, it's about balancing functionality within a space.
In the small town of Yiwu in China, this home integrates hobby spaces with design, using every corner to its full potential. This home shows us how basement spaces can be transformed from its usual gloomy identity to this. Before we begin, if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related contents. A grand entrance reinterprets traditional Chinese gates in modern form, opening to a green courtyard. With 3 floors and 2 basements, this house caters to the varying hobbies and activities of a family of 5. The basement levels in this home are designed as relaxing spaces for lounging, family interaction, and various hobbies. What's unique about this basement level is the addition of a double volume void, transforming an underground space with low ceiling and poor lighting to a bright, airy space.
I'm already 68 years old this year, and I've been doing design for 46 years. I understand very well what design truly requires. It's not just about appearances, nor is it as simple as drawing. It's about connecting with life, because every space that exists, like here, we hope to create a strong connection between everything in it. With the homeowner, we don't want to waste any space. Whether it's for activities or living, every stage should provide a good base or background for them. This here is the basement. We actually call it the second underground level. For the space inside, I've tried to elevate it as much as possible. After discussing with the homeowner, we added skylights, which made the space brighter.
In modern luxury style, a white living area features a dark marble wall framing the television. A white sofa blends into the white palette as a line of boxed marble shelves add rich visual texture.
We've raised this section, and why you ask, is for the tea area. Over here we purposely added a big tree, and the tree connects with the skylight. Here you don't feel like you're in a basement at all. It feels bright and open.
In this green tile-cladded space, the green brings nature into the basement. On this level, spaces with different characters coexist, creating various experiences and functions. On another basement level is a dedicated craft room, encased in white and brown accents, creating a cozy space.
We enjoy doing different kinds of crafts, all sorts of small creations. For instance, handmade leather crafts. Because here, many people make small leather bags, so there's a small workshop here.
The garage is at the lowest basement level with no access to natural light. But by including a membrane light to mimic daylight, a welcoming space is created.
The homeowner's favorite motorcycle is parked here. This area is for storing bicycles and other tools as well. I feel this is quite an ideal garage, even though the space is low. It's designed as a bright space. The homeowners are happy with this space. They can sit here when they're free. This space has its own unique character. I'm very satisfied with this space myself.
The ground floor features an open living and dining area. With a white palette, the bright atmospheres are reflected in the entire house. The white palette is anchored by two darker feature walls at both ends. A fireplace frame in dark marble highlights the living room with smoke-like leanings. In the dining, round elements in the decor and furniture create a pleasing space.
As for the dining and living room floor, this space is relatively square in dimension. My style leans towards something solid yet lively with a touch of modernity. Some might call this style modern luxury, but I feel it's more about expressing the sense of the space, so I used light-colored walls to create a feeling of a larger, purer space. That was our intention from the start.
The parents' room is situated on the ground floor for accessibility. Surrounded by full-height sliding glass doors, the room opens up to the landscaping. Pairing similar patterns in different textures creates a cohesive space but still keeps it visually interesting. A skylight above the stairs draws light into the darker heart of the home. Steps with curved edges create a pleasing look. Translucent glass railings ensure daylight streams through.
Here the staircase is designed almost like a sculpture. With sunlight coming from the skylight, we create a balanced focal point.
The master bedroom sits on the top floor with a layout designed for the owner's lifestyle.
There's a minibar here, so you don't have to go downstairs to grab a drink or water. We also have a small lounge for listening to music or small gatherings.
A membrane light with round corners highlights the cozy softness of the space. The bedroom is carefully composed of patterns and vertical lines contrasting with curves, reflecting the meticulous design process in every detail. On the right of the lounge is a walk-in closet in creamy white tones with lots of display space. One floor below is where the children's room and the family hall is. A warm white and beige palette with curved elements make a pleasant space. Instead of creating an entertainment area here, a hobby space is created for the children to express their creativity. The son's bedroom is a pleasing room with vertical lines in various patterns and calming curves in the ceiling and furniture. The bedroom leads directly to a balcony spacious enough for outdoor dining and family barbecues.
Nowadays, when it comes to renovations, the most important things are the details and customizations throughout the house. Whether custom furniture or bespoke furniture, it is incredibly important. Because in this era, there's a real demand for quality. So we partnered with a great company called Carenessland to create the custom furniture for this house. I'm very happy to have used their services as their philosophy aligns with mine, with close attention to the details and executing them well.
In home designs, dedicating space for hobbies is important because it allows bedrooms to remain a refuge away from distraction. Multifunctional hobby spaces that celebrates creativity and remind residents to disconnect from technology makes the home a unique, personalized retreat for the entire family. If you enjoyed today's episode and want to learn more about interior design and architecture contents, please support us by subscribing and stay in the loop of more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.